Is your CPU not running at full speed on Windows 11? Here are 3 quick fixes to boost its performance. At first, type regedit in the search box. Then, click on the registry editor to access it. When the registry editor opens up, tap on File. Then click on Export to create a new registry backup on your system. Then, go here, H key, Local Machine System O, Current Control Set Services, O Intel PMM. Now, on the right-hand side, double-click on the Start value to modify. At the next step, set the value to 4. Then, click on OK. Once you have done this, just close the registry editor and restart your system. Type CMD in the search box. Then, right-click on the command prompt and tap on Run as Administrator. Once the terminal opens up, type this command and hit Enter. scconfig Intel PPM start =, disabled. This will stop the Intel PPM service from starting up once your system starts up. Once you have executed the command, close the terminal. After that, reboot the system and test the CPU performance. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, write this line and hit Enter. powercfg.cpl. When the control panel opens up, tap on the Show Additional Plans. After that, select the High Performance mode. Once you are done, try running a high load process on your system and test whether the CPUs are offering peak performance. Just right-click on the Windows icon and tap on the Run. Then, type this code and hit Enter. powercfg.cpl. Then, look for the plan you are currently using. Next, tap on Change Plan Settings to access it. Now, in the next window, tap on Restore Default Settings for this plan. You will see a warning message. Just tap on Yes to confirm it. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter together to open the terminal with administrative rights. Once the terminal appears, copy-paste these commands one at a time and tap the Enter key. cdc Windows So System 32 driver ren intel ppm.swiss intel pm.sys.bake. First, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, type this command and hit the Enter key. Mesconfig in the System Configuration window, go to the General tab. Here, tap on the Selective Startup option, and then check the Load System Services and the Load Startup Items options. After that, tap on the Services section. Here, you have to tick mark the Hide All Microsoft Services box. Next, tap on the Disable All option to disable all the third-party apps. Finally, click on Apply, and then on OK. Just click on Restart to reboot your system immediately. This will restart the system without all the third-party apps running in the background. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.